tropical storm warning and hurricane watch are in effect for Brazoria Islands and coastal Brazoria. A hurricane warning is in effect for inland Jackson and inland Matagorda. A storm surge warning and tropical storm warning are in effect for Bolivar Peninsula, Chambers, coastal Galveston, coastal Harris, and Galveston Island. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Austin, Colorado, Fort Bend, inland Brazoria, inland Galveston, inland Harris, Waller, and Wharton. Storm information about 320 miles south of Galveston, Texas, or about 290 miles south-southeast of Port O'Connor, Texas, 24.7 and 94.0 W. Storm intensity 60 miles per hour. Movement northwest or 310 degrees at 13 miles per hour. Situation overview. Tropical storm Beryl will continue to move northwest across the Gulf of Mexico towards the mid to upper Texas coast during the rest of the weekend. Based on the latest advisory, Beryl is expected to further strengthen to Category 1 hurricane strength as it approaches the Texas coasts. Beryl is forecast to make landfall close to the Matagorda Bay Area Monday morning. Continue to monitor the progress of Beryl as changes in the track and intensity could result in changes to the expected impacts. Next update. The next local statement will be issued by the National Weather Service in Houston, Galveston, Texas around 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or sooner if conditions warrant. A tropical storm warning is in effect for the following counties in Texas: Austin, Fort Bend, Harris, and Waller. A tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following counties in Texas: Brazoria, Colorado, Galveston, and Wharton. Tropical storm warning remains in effect. What? South winds around 35 knots with gusts up to 45 knots and seas 8 to 13 feet. Where? Galveston Bay, coastal waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas out 20 nautical miles and waters from High Island to Freeport, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles. When? Tropical storm force winds possible from Sunday evening until Monday afternoon. Impacts. Very strong winds will cause hazardous seas which could capsize or damage vessels and reduce visibility. Mariners should alter plans to avoid these hazardous conditions. Remain in port, seek safe harbor, alter course, and or secure the vessel for severe conditions. A storm surge warning remains in effect and a tropical storm warning remains in effect for the following counties in Texas: Bolivar Peninsula, Chambers, Galveston Island, and inland Galveston. 10 p.m. observations at Houston Bush Intercontinental, mostly cloudy. Temperature 7.